up, guys? This is Sage, a Primal Evolution. This is day number 17 of your Accelerator program, and we are on part 2 of your authentic definition of success. Now, 2 days ago, we were handling your authentic definition of success, where you wrote out your definition, your authentic definition of success. Then the last email that you received, we were looking how to overlay layer number 1 over your authentic definition of success, which was the triangle of human potential. And now today we're going on to layer number 2, and layer number 2 is the formula for personal cultivation, and how you layer this over your authentic definition of success is going to help you to elevate everything that you do to the next level. So M plus S plus H plus R equals personal success. Mindset plus skill set plus habits plus rules. So there is obviously loads of training on our website on this. There's training on YouTube on this. So I'm not going to give you training on the formula of personal cultivation. You can get that for free everywhere else on our websites and on our social media. But I want to tell you particularly how you're going to get this to overlay as a second layer. Remember, you thought about what you need to think, feel, and behave like, what your identity needs to be like in order for you to get to that authentic definition of success of yours. And now you need to have a look at what is the mindset that I want to do, that I need to have. What is the skills that I have to develop and cultivate within me? What is the habits that I have to establish and imprint? And what is the rules of the game that I'm playing? And you need to take these and you have to overlay them over your triangle of human potential to get yourself to the next level. You see, if you haven't yet started doing the mirror test in the morning, when you brush your teeth, look at yourself in the mirror and be honest when you do this, and you really look for what's not in the mirror. There's something in the mirror missing from the person you see there that is preventing that person to achieve your authentic definition of success. And what you need to do is you need to fill those gaps. And by filling those gaps, you got to fill out, you gotta decide what mindsets, what skill sets, what habits, what rules do you have to implement, contribute to, get rid of, and bend and modify to get to your authentic definition of success. And then, which we'll talk about tomorrow, is going to be layer number 3, which is where the rubber really hits the road, and you are now in the home stretch of imprinting the habit of winning, of imprinting the habit of self-improving into your life as a permanent way of doing things. All right, you're almost at day 63, in the last bit of the phase 3 of the rule 63. And what I want you to do now is remember, it's not how you start, but it's how you finish. So from this point onwards until we get to day number 31 of the Accelerator program, I really want you to up your standards, up your games, look in the mirror, find those gaps and fill them out. Find those gaps and fill them out. And when you do that, you're going to put yourself in a position to know exactly who you are, and also, more importantly, to know who you need to be to get what you want. And then from that point forward, all there is to do now is to action, 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 action. All right, so layer 1 was determining your authentic definition of success. That was the fundamental part of everything. All right. Sorry, that wasn't layer one. That was the fundamental part. Then to overlay a layer onto that is what you think, what you feel, how you behave, and your self-image slash identity. How you can fill the gaps in those areas. And then the second layer over that, which is the third layer. All right. This is the formula of personal cultivation. How can you fill the gaps in your mirror test, in your mindset, skill set, habits, rules of the game? And then you literally have to get to work to fill the gaps. And that is it, guys. So tomorrow we'll be talking about the work. Make sure that you do this exercise today because this will actually set you up to make the leap from what you know and what you do not know, from the known waters into the unknown deep waters where you are going to have to get uncomfortable, where you're going to have to get into your courage zone, where you're going to have to trust the process, trust that when you do the work, the results will come. And once you get to the action part, everything starts coming together. Remember, we are not trying to control the situation. We are trying to get the upper hand. We are trying to take the chaos, and our mission is to take that chaos and turn it, make it come together, bring it all together into a perfect storm. That's from me today, guys. I hope you have a wonderful winning day, and I'll see you tomorrow in day 18. Have a good day. Go kick some ass. Cheers.